Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Lexus. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus is a steal with less than 7,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include: Performance Package, Premium Package, Navigation System, Power Moonroof, Cruise Control, Automatic Climate Control, Bluetooth, MP3 Player, Sirius Satellite Radio, Anti-Lock Brakes, Power Steering, Power Windows, Universal Remote, Leather Seats, Power Door Locks, Stability Control, and Traction Control.